Decor Designs, your go-to resource for elevating every corner of your living space. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of transforming your outdoor space into a stylish and functional oasis? Well, today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of Patio Gazebo Designs. A patio gazebo is so much more than just a covered structure. It's an extension of your home, a dedicated space for relaxation, entertainment, and making cherished memories outdoors. Essentially, it's a freestanding or attached open-sided structure with a roof, designed to provide shelter and create an inviting focal point in your backyard or patio area. Unlike a pergola, which typically features an open slat roof, a gazebo offers a solid roof, providing more substantial protection from the elements. So, what are the incredible benefits of having a patio gazebo? Well, for starters, it offers much-needed shade on hot sunny days, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space comfortably for longer periods. It also provides excellent protection from light rain, so a sudden shower won't spoil your outdoor gathering. Beyond the practical benefits, a gazebo defines a dedicated outdoor room, adding a sense of luxury and sophistication to your property. It can significantly increase your home's aesthetic appeal and even its value. Imagine having a perfect spot for al fresco dining, hosting barbecues, enjoying your morning coffee, or simply unwinding with a good book, all without worrying about the weather. Now, once you have your gazebo, how do you decorate it to make it look absolutely beautiful and reflective of your style? The key is to treat it like any other room in your home. Start with comfortable and weather-resistant furniture that suits the size and purpose of your gazebo. Think plush cushions, outdoor rugs to define the space, and throws for cooler evenings. Lighting is crucial for ambience. String lights, lanterns, or even a statement chandelier can create a magical glow after dark. Don't forget the power of plants. Potted plants, hanging baskets, or climbing vines can add a touch of nature and soften the structure. Personalize with decorative pillows, outdoor art, and perhaps a small coffee table or side tables for convenience. The goal is to create a cohesive and inviting environment where you'll love to spend time. Speaking of decor, what are the absolute best items for patio gazebo design? Here's a quick list to get you started. First, comfortable outdoor seating. Sofas, lounge chairs, dining sets, or even swing chairs. Second, weather-resistant cushions and pillows. For comfort and a pop of color. Third, outdoor rugs. To define the space and add warmth. Fourth, string lights or lanterns. For ambient and magical evening lighting. Fifth, ceiling fan. For air circulation and comfort on warmer days. Sixth, privacy curtains or shears. For added seclusion and a touch of elegance. Seventh, potted plants or hanging baskets. To bring nature indoors or outdoors. Eighth, outdoor coffee table or side tables. For drinks, books, and decor. Ninth, portable heater or fire pit but if space allows. For extending usage into cooler months. 10th, Bluetooth speakers. For music and entertainment. Now, let's get to the main event. Get ready to be inspired as we count down our top 10 best patio gazebo design ideas, featuring some truly stunning examples. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best patio gazebo design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Multi-zone backyard oasis with fire pit. This comprehensive backyard design cleverly incorporates a large wooden gazebo as the central hub of an expansive outdoor living area. The gazebo itself houses an outdoor kitchen and bar, perfect for cooking and serving. Adjacent to it, a distinct circular stone patio features a built-in fire pit, creating a cozy gathering spot for evening s'mores and conversations. The design seamlessly connects to a spacious wooden deck with integrated bench seating, offering multiple zones for dining, lounging, and entertaining, making it a truly versatile outdoor haven. 2. Chic Urban Garden Gazebo. This elegant and modern gazebo brings sophisticated outdoor living to an urban setting. Its minimalist black frame and natural wood ceiling create a contemporary aesthetic, while a stylish woven pendant light adds a touch of bohemian chic. Surrounded by meticulously manicured garden beds, lush greenery, and blooming flowers, the gazebo offers a tranquil escape amidst city life. The comfortable modern outdoor sofa provides a perfect spot for unwinding, making this a beautiful and serene retreat for relaxation and intimate gatherings. 3. Rustic Outdoor Kitchen and Fireplace Haven. Step into the ultimate outdoor entertainment zone with this impressive rustic gazebo featuring both a substantial stone fireplace and a functional outdoor kitchen. The natural wood beams and peaked roof create a grand yet welcoming structure. The stonework on the fireplace and bar area perfectly complements the surrounding lush trees, blending seamlessly with the natural landscape. This design is ideal for those who love to host, offering ample counter space for food preparation and a cozy fireplace for cooler evenings, making it a true extension of your indoor living. 4. Cozy Evening Retreat with Fireplace. This inviting gazebo transforms into a magical evening retreat with its warm wooden ceiling, exposed beams, and charming string lights that cast a soft, ambient glow. At its heart is a beautifully crafted stone fireplace, creating a cozy focal point for relaxation and warmth. The comfortable outdoor furniture, adorned with vibrant orange and green cushions, invites guests to unwind. This design perfectly balances comfort and style, offering a superb space for intimate conversations or simply enjoying the tranquil evening outdoors. 5. Luxurious Poolside Bar and Lounge Gazebo. Experience the epitome of outdoor luxury with this magnificent gazebo seamlessly integrated with a swimming pool and an in-pool bar. The substantial structure with its shingled roof provides ample shade for the outdoor kitchen and lounge area, complete with a fireplace and television. The highlight is the swim-up bar, allowing guests to enjoy refreshments without leaving the cool water. The rich wood tones of the gazebo complement the stone patio and sparkling blue pool, creating an opulent and highly functional entertainment hub for lavish outdoor living. 6. Lakeside Elegance with a View. Imagine unwinding in this elegant, traditional-style gazebo, perfectly positioned to offer breathtaking views of a serene lake. The classic brown shingle roof and sturdy wooden beams provide a timeless and robust structure. The spacious patio underneath accommodates a full outdoor dining set, ideal for al fresco meals, alongside a comfortable lounge area with wicker furniture, inviting you to relax and enjoy the scenery. The thoughtful placement by the water creates a picturesque setting, making it a perfect spot for entertaining or simply enjoying nature's beauty. 7. Modern Farmhouse Entertainment Pavilion. This contemporary gazebo design showcases a sophisticated blend of modern farmhouse aesthetics with its clean lines, striking white pillars, and dark roof. It serves as a comprehensive outdoor entertainment pavilion, featuring a built-in outdoor kitchen with a large grill and ample counter space, alongside a comfortable living area with a sectional sofa facing a mounted television over a brick accent wall. The expansive paved patio extends the usable living space, making it perfect for large gatherings and modern outdoor living, providing both style and functionality. 8. Contemporary Patio with Putting Green. This sleek and modern patio gazebo extends the living space with its clean lines and open design, offering a sophisticated outdoor lounge area. Featuring a mounted television above a contemporary fireplace and comfortable seating, it's perfect for relaxation and entertainment. What truly sets this design apart is the unexpected addition of a miniature putting green right outside the patio, providing a fun and unique recreational element. This setup is ideal for those who enjoy both stylish comfort and a bit of leisure activity in their backyard. 9. Classic White Octagonal Retreat. This charming white octagonal gazebo exudes classic elegance and creates a whimsical focal point in any garden. Its crisp white finish and decorative railing add a touch of traditional appeal, while the dark shingle roof provides a nice contrast. Nestled amidst lush green foliage and surrounded by a well-maintained garden bed with dark mulch, this gazebo offers a secluded and peaceful sanctuary. It's the perfect spot for quiet contemplation, reading, or enjoying a small, intimate gathering away from the main house. 10. Tropical Thatch Roof Oasis. This captivating patio gazebo truly embodies a resort-like ambience with its striking thatched roof, reminiscent of a luxurious tropical retreat. The natural texture of the thatch beautifully complements the dark wood pillars, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Inside, the sunken seating area, adorned with plush, earth-toned cushions and throw pillows, offers a cozy and intimate space for relaxation or intimate conversations. Strategically placed potted plants add a touch of lush greenery, enhancing the natural and serene feel of this exquisite outdoor living area. Expansive outdoor living with bar and fireplace. This grand patio gazebo creates a luxurious and functional outdoor living experience, perfectly integrated into a spacious backyard. The robust wooden beams and dark shingle roof provide a classic, substantial look. Underneath, a well-appointed stone bar with seating for several guests defines one area, while a cozy lounge space with a stone fireplace and mounted television forms another. This design is an entertainer's dream, offering ample room for both dining and relaxation, seamlessly connecting with the adjacent pool area and surrounded by lush natural landscaping, making it a true outdoor haven for any occasion. 12. Sleek modern poolside cabana. This contemporary poolside gazebo, with its clean lines and minimalist aesthetic, serves as a chic and inviting cabana. The dark gray framework and light ceiling create a striking contrast, while the recessed lighting and elegant wall sconces provide sophisticated illumination. Positioned on a raised wooden deck directly beside a sparkling blue pool, it offers a perfect spot for lounging in the shade with comfortable outdoor seating. The stone wall backdrop adds texture and privacy, making this a serene and stylish retreat for relaxation and enjoying the poolside atmosphere. 13. Cozy evening deck gazebo with string lights. This charming black metal gazebo transforms an ordinary deck into an enchanting evening oasis, especially with the warm glow of string lights draped underneath its roof. The sturdy structure provides a defined space for a cozy outdoor living room, complete with comfortable wicker furniture and plush cream-colored cushions. An eye-catching geometric outdoor rug grounds the seating area, adding a stylish touch. Nestled on a spacious deck with a railing, and overlooking a green backyard with distant houses, this gazebo is perfect for intimate gatherings or quiet evenings outdoors, offering both comfort and ambience. 14. Ultramodern indoor-outdoor entertainment hub. This innovative and ultramodern structure blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living, serving as a highly functional entertainment hub. Its sleek black exterior and clean architectural lines house a complete outdoor kitchen and bar, featuring large bifold doors that can fully open to connect seamlessly with the expansive wooden deck and adjacent swimming pool. Multiple mounted televisions ensure entertainment from every angle, while a modern fireplace adds warmth and ambience. This design is perfect for the ultimate host, offering a luxurious and versatile space for sophisticated poolside parties and gatherings. 15. Grand Tropical Thatch Roof Lakeside Pavilion. This magnificent gazebo stands as a grand tropical pavilion, distinguished by its impressive, multi-layered thatch roof that provides excellent shade and a natural, resort-like feel. Supported by substantial light-colored stone pillars, the structure houses a spacious outdoor dining area, perfect for large gatherings. Its prime location by a tranquil body of water, with palm trees and luxurious homes in the background, creates a truly idyllic setting. This design embodies a blend of natural elegance and expansive comfort, offering a sublime outdoor experience reminiscent of a high-end vacation destination. And there you have it, 10 incredible patio gazebo designs that prove the possibilities are truly endless when it comes to creating your dream outdoor space. Whether you're drawn to the classic charm of a traditional gazebo, the rustic appeal of an outdoor kitchen, or the modern elegance of a poolside retreat, there's a patio gazebo design out there for everyone. Remember, your outdoor space is an extension of your home, and with a well-designed gazebo, you can maximize its potential for relaxation, entertainment, and simply enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video inspiring, please give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more amazing home decor ideas and inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.